Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this 10-minute Yoga for Flexibility class focused on the splits. If you like this practice, be sure to like the video, leave me a comment, and head on over to Omstars when you're ready to go deeper into the practice with me. That's my online channel, and I'd love to see you there. Let's get started with the practice today. Come to a comfortable seated position and close the eyes. Let's bring the hands together, a deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. We're going to get started with a hanging forward fold because a forward bend is really the key access point to working your splits. The split is pretty advanced, so bear that in mind. And if this is a too advanced practice, remember splits are considered quite an advanced posture in the yoga practice. So we can always go back to the basics if this is too intense. So let's try anyway, okay? Come to a comfortable kind of squat with the heels up for a moment and feel the back releasing. Then straighten the legs. And then layer your arms over each other. So just a hanging forward fold, working immediately forward bending, 5 breaths. We have 1, 2, easy does it. 3, 4. Let's go for one more. 5. Now bend the knees. This time hold on to your ankles and then straighten the legs and give yourself a light tug in and straighten the legs. And we'll stay. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale. Straighten the arms. Exhale here. Let's bend the knees for a moment just to give the hamstrings a little break. Take the hands forward. Then let's step on back to downward facing dog. All right, just 2 breaths in downward dog just to kind of touch it and say hello to it for today. 1 more breath. That's good. Now, switch your gaze a little forward. I want you to walk a little bit more in so the hands are nice and firmly down. If your forward bend is challenged, you can grab the blocks and then place your hands on the blocks for this movement. Let's look lightly forward, all right? So we're keeping the gaze forward, pressing down into the hands to prepare. Then inhale, lift your right leg and then lift it high, and we'll do little kicks. So we have inhale, lift it up, exhale down. So it's like a tiny 3-legged dog. Up, let's put it down. Inhale all the way up, exhale down. 1 more and hold. 1, 2, 3. We can take a little weight in the hands. 4, and then little pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, let's set it down. Weight back in the feet, roll it forward, taking the chest a little bit forward. The gaze stays a little down, point. Inhale all the way back and up, exhale down. Inhale back and up, exhale down. Inhale back and up, exhale down. 2 more, inhale back and up, exhale down. Last one, back and up, hold. Hold, reach and hold. Little forward in the hands, reach and hold. Little pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, bring it down. Rest for a moment. Let's go for that hanging forward fold to rest. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Switch your gaze forward. Let's take the hands down. Inhale, step your right foot forward, coming onto your fingertips. Let's sink that left knee down. Reach back. Let's find the blocks. Take the blocks. That's good. Take them by your hips. Press down into the ground. Let's go for an elongated lunge, so kind of a long lunge, and hold. Engage your legs and interact with the floor. 2, 3, expand the chest. 4, and 5. Swing it back. Let's go for the half split. I'm focusing on the forward bend. Flex the feet so we can get into the ankle. Just 1 more breath. And then back to the long lunge. Good. And hold it there. Lengthen the lunge a little bit more, bringing your pelvis closer to the ground. Good. Engage the floor with your legs, not only with the hands on the blocks. Then swing it back. Glide the foot back a little bit, half split for a moment. And then our longest variation. Good. Now, press Both legs straight, hold, engage, engage, engage. Exhale, slide down. Again, press, engage, engage, engage. Exhale, put it down. Last, engage, engage, engage. Exhale, slide it down. Stay there wherever you are and engage with your legs. 1, point both feet. 2, lift the chest. 3, almost there. 4, and 5, press, slide it back. Good. Come up, stepping forward with your left leg, right knee down. Good, long lunge, a nice long lunge and hold. 1, 2, 3, almost there. 4, and 5. Let's slide it back, half split, and then bring it back, long lunge. Stay there, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring it back. We have half splits. Good. And long lunge. 1. Now start to squeeze. Good. Keep it straight. Legs straight. Engage. Exhale. Bring it down. Again. Engage, engage, engage the legs. Exhale. Bring it down. Last one. Engage, engage, engage the legs. Exhale. Bring it down. Stay. 1, 2, almost there. 3, nice and steady. 4, and 5. Push it back. Walk forward again. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Let's move the blocks away. And then exhale, forward fold. From your forward fold now, take the hands a little forward, but much closer than last time. And then inhale, lift your left leg back and up. Walk the hands back, and then exhale, forward fold. Explore your standing split. 1, 2, hold it. 3, reach, reach, reach. 4, and 5. Exhale, let's put it down. Switch the sides. Start off a little forward, reach the leg back. You can stay here. When you feel good, walk the hands back and fold more down. 1, reach. 2, observe where the feeling is. 3, keep the legs engaged. The split is an engaged leg posture. 4, and 5. Exhale. Let's put it down. Walk the hands forward, slowly bending through the knees. Exhale, sit down. Take a moment, feel your breath, feel the body, connect in. A deep breath in and a deep breath out. Let it settle. That's good. Let's take Paschimottanasana just to equalize again. A deep breath in and exhale. Fold. Repetition is really the key. So we want to repeat these movements. Repeating the feeling as much as possible so the body can get comfortable in the split, comfortable with the feeling of flexibility. 1 more breath. Inhale, straighten the arms. Exhale. Let's cross the feet. Come back to a seated position. Close the eyes for a moment. Notice the combination of sensations from the hips, the back, all the way up through the spine. And bring the hands in prayer position, remembering that the splits are an advanced posture, Hanumanasana, something quite difficult to work with. So if this was hard, come back to this practice. Try it a few times a week for a few months, see where it goes. A deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.